Hello students, this is Mr. Garcia from El Monte Rosemead Adult School. I'm going to show you my medical terminology students. As a reminder, when you log on to Moodle for medical terminology, your primary instructor will be Ms. Nava Lopez, and I'm just subbing for the next 2 weeks. One of the things that I've gotten lots of emails over the weekend was how do I submit the work into Moodle, and I'm going to remind everyone how it's done. That way you can upload Moodle. The assignment is due tomorrow, so you should have already completed the assignment, and all you need to worry about is to submit the assignment via Moodle. First thing you want to do is go down over to our classes, January 4th to January 10th. This is here. Our PowerPoint that we looked at, the training videos, the pages of the workbook that I wanted you to do. So if you click on here, I've actually taken the time to add the pages for those of you who have not got the workbook yet, and you're going to get the workbook. Okay. The second thing what you have is how to submit. This is pronunciation page 27, pronunciation page 28, pronunciation 29, and so forth and so forth. And then of course everybody, the random recording on here for 20 words for me to listen to you. And help you with the pronunciation. It's very simple to do, everyone. You just click on this one here. We'll click on that there. And once I get to this particular spot, everyone, it's going to tell me that I'm looking for page 27. Once I'm looking for page 27, I wanted you to complete the meaning portion of it and also underline the root word or highlight the root word for me, and then to submit it. As you can see here, it says add submission. You click on add submission, and when you click on add submission, it tells you you can put pretty large files in here actually. And all you're going to do is you can drag and drop the files in here. So this is the easiest way to do it. You're going to go to your computer. In this case, it says page 27. I'm going to click on it, hold it, and I'm going to drag it into the upload section. Once that's done, I'm going to confirm the fact that it says page 27. I'm going to go ahead then and save it. And once I go ahead and save it, it should say page 27, which is what I want. And if I need to change anything in the submission for me to submit it. Okay. Once again, this is Mr. Garcia from El Monte Rosemead Adult School showing you how to do this. I'm going to redo it again, everyone, without any narrating so you can see it done. Again, everybody, this is Mr. Garcia showing you how this is done. Thank you.